Okay everybody, Jedi to Sky here. Allow me to tell you zombies, and for others that aren't educated, allow me to educate you with something about the solar eclipse by putting all the dots together, okay? Now, the next video continuing after I talk will allow you to understand why there's a moon in the sky and why there's an eclipse and what new technology America has.
The
If the
Awakening.
eclipse is right here,
Yeah.
then why is the moon over there? Oh, wait.
I mean, I'm sure some people out there would just claim that this is just one giant coincidence. But if you guys have been following me for a while, you know I've been saying that I do not believe that the April 8th eclipse was a naturally occurring eclipse for several reasons. And then this morning, my friend in Switzerland sends me this article. Let's take a look. Now, the article's in German, but I translated it. And the headline reads, Research with Artificially Created Solar Eclipses. The article goes on to say that ESA in Belgium, which is one of the companies I was sharing around the world that have sun simulators, they presented 2 probes just last week that could, and I quote, artificially create solar eclipses if desired, unquote. Okay, and this gets better. You can't make this shit up. The 2 space probes' names are Occulter and Coronagraph. And it just so happens that last week they tested out their Occulter and Coronagraph space probes. The research team says that the pair of space probes will align so closely with the sun that the Occulter will cast a shadow on the Coronagraph, thus creating an artificial solar eclipse. And if that isn't enough, the article goes on to say that the scientists will use the North American eclipse to test the hardware developed for their mission of their 2 space probes, named Occulter and Coronagraph, that create artificially created solar eclipses. Again, I'm telling y'all, that was not natural yesterday. And just keeps getting better. So the article was ran on April 8th in the German and Switzerland newspapers, right, which is several hours here ahead of North America. And it reads, we are pleased to announce the launch of Occulter and Coronagraph probes today, April 8th, the day of the eclipse in North America. Another coincidence, I guess? All right, just to recap real quick. Let's see how many coincidences we can cram into this one little block. We have this company, ESA out of Belgium, who ironically also makes a sun simulator. They also have a mission, Proba 3, that entails 2 probes named Occulter and Coronagraph. Their mission? To artificially create solar eclipses. They launched those probes, Occulter and Coronagraph, yesterday, April 8th. The researchers claim that they used the North American solar eclipse to test their mission's hardware. Again, I do not believe April 8th's eclipse here in the United States was naturally occurring, but if you do, and you can chalk all this up to one giant coincidence, you probably thought the vaccine was safe and effective too.